Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can format your videos in CapCut. Select new project and select the video you want to sort of format and select add. You are then going to find like this tab, this tab, and click format. As you can see, I choose the fit one, which fits the video perfectly, which is 9 by 16. If I want it to be landscape, I'm just going to select 16 by 9. This one's for a square video, and there's a lot more options. 4 by 3, 2 by 1, 5 by 8, this one, 3 by 4, and also this one, 1.85 by 1. And that's pretty much how you can format your video. On CapCut, you can then zoom in or rotate it if you want to fit the format, like so, for instance. But yeah, that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!